hands work magic all day long. Whispers of hope echo in the halls. Unsung heroes answer every call. Through the midnight hour and the break of dawn, lifted spirits when the light seems gone. Every heartbeat guided by their care, making miracles happen everywhere. Raise a glass to the heroes of March tonight. Every moment they bring warmth and light. For all who pass through those sacred doors, here's to the love that always pours. Each smile they give is a silent vow to ease the pain, to find the how. In sorrow's wake they bring a cheer, making the hardest days less severe. They walk through storms to find the calm. In every hand they hold there's a balm. Walls may not speak but they hum a tune of lives rebuilt afternoon by noon. Raise a glass to the heroes of March tonight. Every moment they bring warmth and light. For all who pass through those sacred doors, here's to the love that always pours. To the heroes of March tonight. Every moment they bring warmth and light. For all who pass through those sacred doors, here's to the love that always pours. Yeah, here's to the love that always pours. I dream of starships soaring as I lie in my bed. Klingonese is tangled up inside my brain. Gonna battle my way out or I'll go insane. Klingon armor pounding in my chest each day. Bat left in my hand, gonna make my own way. Warriors singing tales of victory and pain. This language driving me crazy, it's a wild terrain. Klingon honor pounding in my chest each day. That left in my hand, gonna make my own way. Warriors singing tales of victory and pain. This language driving me crazy, it's a wild terrain. Every time I speak it makes me wanna break out. Heads starting hard, thundering through space. Klingon life got me running a race. Got my boots on the ground, ready for a fight. Starlit skies and we're prowling in the night. Taking over worlds with just a fervent phrase. Klingonese whirling, turning into a daze. I'm a warrior till the end, won't back down. Klingonese in my head, spinning me around. Ghosts of Kronos whispering in my ear. In this battleground, no room for fear. Klingon, Klingon, can't you hear me shout? Every time I speak it makes me wanna break out. Heads turning hard, thundering through space. Klingon life got me running a race. Cosmic neighbors crossing lines. Friend or foe, we must prepare. Change the world if we dare. Weapons drawn and flags unfurled. Costly games in childish world. Skies will open, ships unknown. Futures paved by seeds we've sown. Look to stars, you'll see the signs. Cosmic neighbors crossing lines.